You don't need Sora access to make AI videos that look like Netflix trailers. I just found a tool in the Bing app that spits out hyper-realistic clips, and it's built on OpenAI technology. These were all made with AI. No subscription, no $20 a month, just one free app that most people don't know about. So let me show you exactly how to do it in the next few minutes. Here's the step-by-step guide. Step 1, download the Bing app on Android or iOS. It's completely free. Step 2, sign in with any Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you can sign up. Again, it's free. Step 3, go to the image creator or the video creator tab down here. Step 4, very simply, type your prompt. So let's try a cinematic shot of a fashion model walking through Tokyo at night. And then hit create and wait about a minute. And boom, you get a 5-second vertical clip that's really good using the Sora technology that everyone's talking about. Right now it's mobile only, but desktop support is coming soon. So I wanted to test the video creator across a few different types of prompts. Let's see how good the videos actually are. Okay, so the first one, a fashion model walking through Tokyo at night with cinematic lighting. So I have to say this one is actually pretty good. Like the neon lights are very clear, the reflection on her outfit is pretty clear. Even the blur in the background, it all just looks very good, very cinematic. This one's a great first start. The next one is a young woman walking through a snowy forest at sunrise. So again, this is really good. Like the lighting is amazing. You can even see on the back of her jacket on the fur that the sun is reflecting really well. And the movements look really natural. Again, another really good example of what the video creator can create. Okay, the next one is a drone shot over an Icelandic waterfall at sunrise. So I was in Iceland recently and this actually looks exactly like one of the waterfalls I saw. Even the steam is really nice, the way the water is splashing. I've got all the colors right. So yeah, another incredible video. This is great for a free AI video generator. So next one is a high-speed car drifting through neon streets at night. Okay, this one is pretty good. It's kind of futuristic. The road looks like it's covered in oil or something, so that's a bit strange. But if you're going for this futuristic look, then I suppose that's kind of what it would look like. So yeah, pretty good. Looks kind of more like a video game to me, but we can reprompt it if we want to be more specific. So the next one is an astronaut planting a flag on Mars with Earth in the sky. Okay, this one is a bit stranger. You can see the flag is going through the astronaut's head. He seems to be a bit confused as to how to hold a flag. There's plenty of wind, which I don't know if that actually exists on Mars, so maybe that might spark some conspiracy theories. And also, Earth isn't in the sky, so the generator has kind of missed that one. But otherwise, pretty good. I mean, I'm just looking for flaws at this point. Okay, the next one is a robot bartender serving drinks in a sci-fi nightclub. This one's a bit stranger. It just looks like some metallic arms or something. I don't know if that's a robot or just a decoration. It's kind of this mysterious guy in the background. I don't know if I'd actually want to drink what's in that drink as well. But yeah, it's a sci-fi movie, so we got what we asked for. Okay, finally, it's an otter chef making pizza in a busy Italian kitchen. Probably not saving the best for last. This one is okay, but the pizza is defying a lot of laws of physics. It's kind of floating pizza. I'm not sure it's very realistic. I mean, it never was going to be with the otter, but I mean, credit where credit's due. He's working hard to keep the restaurant afloat. So still, the details are pretty nice in it. Even the fire in the background looks very realistic, and the way it blurs the chefs in the background is pretty cool. But I don't think this one will be disguised as a real clip, but still it's fun for what you want to do. So all of them were some pretty decent videos, and again, this is free, so pretty good quality. But if you want to get better results than me, here are 3 tips. Number 1, be specific. Add details about location, lighting, and mood. Number 2 is use action words. For example, dancing, drifting, or maybe epic slow motion. And number 3 is add style modifiers. So try cinematic, maybe movie trailer style, or maybe even documentary style. But here are the key things that you need to know about using the Microsoft Bing video generator. Starting with the good. It's completely free to start and you have 10 fast generations. It's the same tech as Sora that you get included with a ChatGPT Plus or Pro subscription, which is paid for. There are also no downloads and no complex setup. And finally, your videos are saved for up to 90 days. But there are also some limits. Right now, you can get 5-second clips only. And as I mentioned, it's on the mobile app only for now, but I reckon it will get moved to desktop soon. Some of the videos may also be watermarked, which is an OpenAI safety feature. And also, just to know, after the 10 free videos, you have to use your Microsoft Rewards points to get more. I think all things considered, they're pretty reasonable limits for a free AI video generator. So make sure to try it out and tag me in whatever you create. I really want to see if you can create better videos than me. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe if you want to get more AI tips and productivity hacks. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.